Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious brownies step by step. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9 by 13 inch baking pan by greasing and flouring it. Gather your ingredients: 1 cup of unsalted butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now let's combine our ingredients. Melt 1 cup of butter, then stir in 2 cups of sugar. Beat in 4 large eggs, one at a time, followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Gradually add these dry ingredients to your wet mixture, mixing gently until just combined. Avoid overmixing for the best texture. It's time to bake. Pour your delicious brownie batter evenly into the prepared 9 by 13 inch pan. Spread it out smoothly to ensure every bite is perfect. Place the pan into your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out with moist crumbs, not completely clean. Remember, slightly underbaked is better than overbaked for fudgy brownies. Almost there. Once baked, remove the brownies from the oven and let them cool completely in the pan on a wire rack. This is a crucial step, as it allows them to set properly, making them much easier to cut. After at least 2 hours of cooling, lift the brownies from the pan. Now, you can cut them into 24 perfect 2 by 2 inch squares. Serve your warm, fudgy brownies and savor every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.